Alright guys, the big adventure kids are here, and we're going to do another taste test challenge. Today we're going to do gross stuff.
Yeah!
Or potentially
this looks like blood.
Gross stuff.
This looks like blood in the mouths of cheese. It looks like bugs.
This one's honey garlic sauce.
Oh, yeah.
This one's tartar sauce.
Ooh, I never tried that.
This one's chili sauce.
Oh, yum.
This one is Marmite.
Yum.
Next one is pickled ginger.
Yum.
Next one is vinegar, white vinegar. Next one is hoisin sauce.
Yum.
Our next one is beet juice.
Yum.
Frank's hot sauce.
Yum. Yuck.
Wasabi.
Yum. Excuse me.
Blue cheese dressing.
Yum.
And regular ballpark mustard. Not your favorite honey mustard. Okay, ready to get started? So deciding how to do this has been difficult. Everybody has got
A tune.
a spoon. Right? One of those little spoons that you use when you use your chopsticks. Okay, and we're going to try one at a time. Everybody's going to try the same one at the same time, and then we'll wash our spoons. Which one do you want to start with?
This one.
That one? Alright, Frank's hot sauce. Alright, do it, Dylan.
Not all of it, though. Because we need to try it, too. So.
Alright, Charlotte's turn.
Then my turn. I'm going
Don't
to
take too much.
Is it hot? No.
Don't take too much. Just take a little taste of it, Charlotte.
Yummy. I don't know how this is going to taste. A little hot.
A little hot? Okay, where's your water bottle? Get your water bottle. Have a sip. Give me this. I'll wash it off. Alright, Frank's. Don't have too much.
It's hot, Abby. No, it's not.
Maybe like sriracha and horseradish. You might like this.
Is it hot?
Okay, Frank's hot sauce.
I need some...
Do next?
Blue cheese.
Blue cheese dressing. Okay.
You do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
You can dip your spoon in if you want to.
Nothing.
Okay.
Pour it. Stop.
Alright.
It's even chunky. I hope it's not hot. It's not even hot.
How do you like it?
Good.
Nope.
It tastes disgusting. I'm scared. You chicken.
She took a big wallop of it.
Yummy.
Liar. You're going to eat the rest of it? Next up is regular ballpark mustard.
Yeah.
Not your favorite honey mustard, just regular mustard.
Yummy. Sour.
That's the kind of mustard they put on your hamburgers at McDonald's.
So good. It's sour. Yummy. Hey.
Alright, mustard's a hit.
Wasabi.
Wasabi's next. Okay. Mustard is all gone. Put your spoons down for this one and just dip your fingers in.
Oh, that's good. Wasabi's awesome.
Look at you going in for seconds and thirds, atta boy. Alright, have a little water and we'll try the next one.
Oh, it's going up my nose.
Going up your nose?
No, it's not.
Have some water, it's okay.
Good. I like it.
I hated it the first time I tried it.
I did not make a face.
I really like it now, but I really hated it the first time I tried it.
I didn't make your face.
That's kind of like horseradish. Wasabi is a type of horseradish, I think. Beet juice. So you can just drink it out of the cup. Just drink it out of the cup.
Oh my god. I'm never doing this again.
Pickled beets.
What did you just do?
Pardon me. Woo, that was a wasabi belch. Woo, that was some burp. Are you okay? Did that hurt? It sounded like it hurt. Need a shower?
No.
Wasabi.
I'm scared. There's still some
Did you have some, Dylan?
Yeah. It's good.
Kind of like pickles? Kind of like pickles, but sweet, right?
Vinegar.
Yeah?
Oh.
Vinegary, yeah?
Really? Can we do blood now?
So our blood is actually hoisin sauce from Mr. Noodle's Pho.
I love blood.
Stick your fingers in it, one at a time.
I want to do it after Dylan. And I'm going to do it
Yeah,
after
just dip
Abby.
it. It's because it's just a little package. There you go.
That's good. If it's hot,
It's hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is sweet.
is it hot?
Sweet. Should be sweet. Yeah? Not your favorite? Not your favorite. You alright? Yeah. Up next is white vinegar. Just plain white vinegar. You have this on fish and chips? Well, your dad has it on fish and chips. You're like me, you're a ketchup girl.
What are you doing? Pouring it. You're spilling it.
Too much.
Yeah. I heard a little bubble in your mouth.
Let Charlotte have some. Don't take too much.
Good.
Okay, we'll wipe it up. So you have a towel on
Don't
right here.
take
It's
all of it.
messy. We'll just start with a little bit.
Don't take it all, Dylan. I want some more after.
Nope.
Sour.
Sour vinegar.
It hurts on my cheek.
These two are going to drink the whole Marmite yeast extract. Tastes really great on toast with cheddar cheese melted.
It's sticky.
I don't think by itself on a spoon is the way to do it.
Yeah.
You always take the biggest bites. Have some water and wash it down. What do you think? And a request to try stuff that they haven't tried before, or that they tried before and might not have liked.
Use my finger.
This is, use your finger. This is ginger. Okay, you stick your finger in, not your spoon. Stick your finger in, not your spoon.
I've had ginger before.
You've had ginger? Ginger comes with sushi. It's supposed to make your tummy feel better when it gets upset, which is the perfect time to do this in the middle of this challenge, I think.
My tummy is upset, so...
No, you're going to skip? You've had enough. Okay, good thinking. Alright, you're going to make it? We have 3 more.
I'm going to
Alright, ginger's not a hit. Alright, 3 more. Chili sauce is next.
Is this sweet?
Try it.
Is it sweet?
Try it.
Now I need to drink all my life. I'm not doing this.
Yeah? It's good. It's called chili sauce because it's got some chilies and some peppers and little chili powder in it, but it's actually really sweet. It's got onions and peppers in it. Yeah? Let Charlotte try. No, let Charlotte hasn't tried any yet. Go ahead, Charlotte. Try. I really like chili sauce. It tastes great on hamburgers and stuff. Yeah? It's kind of
Gross.
like chunky ketchup.
It smells.
Right? Alright, tartar sauce is next.
It smells gross.
This is what we put on our fish and chips. Yeah? Alright. It's not the best tartar sauce, but...
It's just like tzatziki.
Tzatziki?
It's just like
Tzatziki, are you eating? It tastes like tartar sauce.
Doesn't it taste like tzatziki?
You try some, Charlotte?
It's just very good.
Try some. That's the creamy stuff you put on fish and chips. You get fish and chips.
How do you like it? Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, the last one. The last one is...
Patata.
That's honey garlic sauce.
Yeah.
So those things you thought were bugs are actually pieces of garlic.
Garlic, yum.
Yeah, I think you're going to like this one. This is a good way to end it.
How does it taste? The best.
Yeah? It's sweet. It's got garlic in it, but it's sweet sauce, right?
I take the smallest bite.
Huh? Yeah, little bites are good.
Me? Is this enough?
Yeah, it's honey sauce, a little soy sauce.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's too bad because that's how I'm cooking our pork roast tomorrow.
Yeah.
You don't like it either?
I'm kidding. I love it.
All right. Who wants ice cream?
Me!
Dylan, what would you like?
Peppers.
Peppers? Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Subscribe, touch the bell.
Abby and Dylan are feeling brave, and they're going to do a hot sauce taste test challenge. We're going to start with Frank's Red Hot, which they both liked just a few moments ago. Then we're going to Sriracha, which we know Abby likes. Then we're going to go to the Walmart Great Value Sizzling Hot Sauce. Then we're going to Pepper North Solar Flare Pineapple Hot Sauce. And then we're going to do the Hot Sauce Boys Habit Forming Hot Sauce Original from Whitby, Ontario. And And then we're going to try the triangle Bermuda hotter than hot sauce that came from Charlotte's mom from her trip to Bermuda. And then we'll see who's standing, and then they can have ice cream when they're done. Okay?
No, we
You
all
ready?
get ice cream.
We're gonna no, you don't start at the hottest because you start at the hottest and you won't taste the rest. So we're gonna start at Frank's, which we know you both like because you both just tried it and liked it. Now remember, this is gonna get hotter as we go along, so don't have to guzzle. You just have a little taste, okay? One for Dylan.
No, this one's Abby's. I'll pass it on.
Okay, thank you. All right, ready? Frank's hot sauce. This is why we did this challenge, because they both declared that they liked Frank's hot sauce and it wasn't too hot. Still agreed? Alright, don't like that one? Okay, too much Frank's. Alright, next up, Sriracha. Okay, remember you don't have to eat it all, you just need to have a taste. You can just dip your finger in it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I thought you both liked that one. Excellent. Thank you. Alright, next up, the Great Value hot sauce from Walmart. Available everywhere for $2 a bottle. Alright.
Is this hot? I'm getting
my
ice cream cone now.
Remember, you don't have to eat it all. Give yourself a bellyache and that ice cream is going to taste terrible. Alright. No on the Walmart. Alright. Pepper North Solar Flare from right here in Oshawa. Okay, this one's made in Oshawa, Ontario, not far from here. This is pineapple-y, but it's hot, so just try a little bit.
Hot? I like it.
You like it?
Who's burning? Who has their mouth burning? Not me. Abby?
Like it?
Drink some water.
No. You eat hot horseradish by the spoonful. Okay, second last one. Hot Sauce Boys from Whippy, Ontario. Man, just put your finger in it. You don't have to. Yeah, just dab a little bit. You don't have to have a whole bunch. Just to try.
That is awesome.
You like that one? I like that one a lot.
Awesome.
That's my current favorite. These two right now are my favorite. We are out of Texas Pete and we're out of Chipotle. So we're down to these ones. And these are our three favorite in our house right now. Solar Flare, Hot Sauce Boys, and the Bermuda Triangle, which is pretty hot. So just have a little bit. Okay?
I don't like any. Oh, yum. I only like Hot Sauce Boys.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like pepper.
You take the pepper.
Very strong pepper.
Very strong pepper. What do you think? No. Alright. Hot sauce challenge over. High five both of you. You did an awesome job for trying them. You did a very good job. Ready for ice cream? You ready for ice cream? You're going to have your own cone done before the ice cream's even in it.
Me and